Right, hello everybody, quick update. Shed's getting more empty. Right, I've put my door panel back together. Not too bad. I've got the electronic door locks, the one motor's completely knackered, so they're a pain in the arse anyway. I've took them off. You can still lock the door by that, and anyway, and the key. So I'm going to have to cover that hole up somehow, figure out something. And the little rubber that goes around the door handle's missing, but anyway, it's getting more empty. I bought all new. I took the distributor out just to make sure. I took it all apart and it was a bit grubby and God knows what else. It was a bit of a mess and plastic was starting to fall to pieces, so I ordered a new one. It was only £50 plus postage and package. I think I ordered it Saturday afternoon and it arrived this morning, Wednesday morning, from America. So oh yeah, I was going to say these clips that go, well, the window rubbers that go on the doors, I think when they're done from the factory they're put in with some sort of staple gun that goes through and then round the back of the thing, but of course I ain't got anything like that, so I just put some very small screws, drilled a couple of holes and put some very small screws in, so should work, I hope, because it's window's only brushing up against it going up and down, so hopefully it'll work. We'll find out, won't we? Anyway, I've got all the dash together. It took me ages to sort as much of the wiring out as I could. God, that was a bloody mess. Tailgate's finished, all works, everything's in. Just got to be connected up. I didn't want to put it on yet because it'll be easier to work getting the roof on and off or whatever I've got to do with it. So I can't put this light on this side because that wire has to go through. Oh, I suppose I could, if that's poking out. That would be poking out through there. I suppose I could grab it and no more. Look, it disappearing. You know, I could grab it and put it on. Anyway, no, not that that's a big deal. Got all the dash in as much as I can for now. The centre bit where the radio normally goes, CD player, whatever, I'm not putting one in. I never listen to it. I'm going to put my amateur radio in there, my VHF UHF one. That's going to go in there, and I made a little thing to fit over it so it looks nice. So just about got all the wiring done. Like I said, I think it was my door lock, electronic door lock on my side that the motor's gone. You can get them, but they're silly expensive. You can't get them from Rock Auto. You have to get them from Bronco Graveyard, and I don't think they ship to the UK, which is a bit of a pain, but I don't like them anyway. So and these, the plastic's broke on the back of these. I'm gonna probably have a bit of a difficult time trying to figure out how to fit them, but I'll come up with something, sure I will. So anyway, dash is all in, everything's in. I've gravity fed the brakes, gravity fed the brakes. I've got fluid coming out of everywhere, so just got to oh yeah, still got fluid in it, so we've got no leaks. Just got to bleed the brakes. Yeah, put my step thingies on. Well, like that. I put my mine, but I made those. So anyway, we've got more or less everything in. New distributor. I think I've got it roughly in the right place. All new cables, new plugs. Had my bit of a mess, handprints all over them. Sent me headers away. I think these are hooker headers. I believe. Anyway, sent those away because normally it would be just a cast manifold on these. Sent them away, had them shot blasted and ceramic coated or whatever coating they are. I don't even know, to be honest. But a friend of mine did them. He's helped me out and I've helped him out with a few things, so technically they haven't cost me anything. So what have I got left to do? Not a lot. I think I'm ready to see if it'll go. Pray to God all this electronic ignition works. I haven't done anything with the engine apart from compression test it and turn it over without power. Just turn it over to make sure we got oil going places. So I think that's it. I'll do the vacuum malarkey stuff. So right, here we go. We'll see if it will go. I mean, if being electronic ignition, technically it should just burst into life if everything's correct. Change the oil. Got oil in the power steering. Yep. That's brake fluid. Don't need that up there. Oh yeah, that's just sitting there for a minute. Right. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Right. The only light you get on these is emissions. That's the fuel pump. Yeah, okay, contact. Oh yeah. Timing's a bit out. She works. I'll play with the timing. I'm not going to run it too long. It's got no water or anything in it. Wicked! More power. It's a bit smoky because all the stuff's going to be burning off and getting stuff, and oh, it's awesome, awesomely wicked awesome. Right, windscreen man's coming today to put the windscreen in, so I can start getting the front buttoned up, and then I'll concentrate on the inside. So cheers for now, see you next time.